Welcome to Motor Vault Vehicles for Enthusiasts. I'm Josh, and we have a 1994 BMW E36 M3 Euro Spec car. This one is quite unique as it was sold new in Japan as a left-hand drive Euro Spec. The iconic BMW M3, the E36 chassis, which is debatably one of the best of all time. Avus Blue exterior. There's a lot to like about this one, and let's get into the details. This Avus Blue paint absolutely pops, especially with that metallic flake in it. It looks absolutely brilliant, and it was an uncommon color on the E36. The Euro Spec, which this is, had more power than the American spec cars, an extra 46 horsepower, which does make a difference in a car that is as relatively lightweight as the E36s are. The E36 was introduced as the M3 in 1992, and this is a third-year production version, and it looks darn good. Under the hood, we have the S50 inline 6, 3-liter, 286 horsepower. These engines are so strong, they are so durable, and these engines have made BMW who they are, especially that M division. All of the racing, all the performance driving with these engines, they are truly the best of the best. Under the hood, you could see a couple other little interesting bits, including a couple different places. You see the original stickers from Japan, as this car was originally delivered in that country. There's a lot to like on the interiors of a German car, especially an M car. The Vader seats in this M3 are a very desirable option, which is always beloved by the M enthusiasts. You got your 5-speed manual transmission, all the shifting experience that you want, nice and tight, great feedback. Everything on the dash is where it should be, refined just enough. Great design from BMW. It's in great shape. There's no cracks. There's really nothing to note. The interior is in beautiful shape. And this one does have the electronic sunroof as well, which is a nice touch if you want just that extra bit of light on top of you. There's that extra visibility. The E36 has a great, simple, and iconic 90s look. I love the way the taillights look. Some people prefer the E30, some prefer the E46. I'm an E36 guy. I love the styling of this car. The wheels in particular, those 17-inch wheels, look absolutely dynamite. BMW nailed those with the M3. And there are a couple little extra touches on this car. The Supersprint exhaust and the KW coilovers make it look just that much more menacing without giving it away that this car is an extreme performance car, because that's what M cars are. They are the ultimate driving machine. This M3 comes with a couple of things. It's got the original tool set, actually with the Japanese sticker here, tools all in place. It's got the med kit, it's got the jack, it's got the triangles, it's got everything just in case. This car has got even more than that. It's got all of the service documents from recent, including a extensive service at EAG over in Ohio. As you guys know, EAG knows a lot about the BMW products. And this one is road ready, 95,000 miles, ready to rock and roll. And speaking about driving, let's go check it out. Yeah, good sounds come out of a straight 6, especially with that Supersprint exhaust. A nice little grumble, a nice deep but not extremely deep tone to it. It's healthy. just as an M car should be. You gotta know what you're driving. Can't have quiet. Shift's great, clutch feels great. Oh yeah, all that is nice and good, as these cars should be. Nothing to note there at all. Brakes nice and healthy. Yeah, this car is a plug and play. She is ready to go do whatever driving you want. Very pleasurable experience with these cars. The debate will always go down which M car is the best M car. We've talked about an M2 before. Love that car. I love this. E36 is way up there. There's a handful, but when you're in that bit of conversation, see, we got a thumbs up right there. If we're in that conversation, you know you're in a great, great bit of company. And those Germans, they know what they're doing with performance cars. They are so well balanced. The chassis on especially the E36 is so rigid and usable. It is absolutely lovely. Feels good. Oh, great downshift. Oh, yeah. Oh, if that doesn't put a smile on your face, I don't know what will. M3, loving it. Emotion, passion, simple, great looks, and that right driving experience make the E36 M3, especially the Euro Spec, an absolute dream. The Avus Blue is the icing on the cake with this M3, and we are proud to present this car to the Brig and Trailer community. If you guys have any questions about the car, let us know. Check out MotorVault's Instagram, YouTube. Give us a like, give us a follow. Let us know if you like what you're seeing here, and we will see you guys with some more great automotive content.